Having a strong competitor in the market is not all bad. It helps companies to grow along with the competition, leaving consumers happy as they are getting more innovative products at lesser price point. When it comes to aerial photography drone, DJI is the company that offers consumer and prosumer drones unparalleled to any. Well, not anymore. DJI is still the king in the drone market. However, when it comes to consumer camera drones, DJI is facing with strong competition from companies like Autel and Skydio. Hey everyone, I'm Nick, and today we're going to discuss what are the chances of Autel and Skydio drones in a market that is dominated by DJI. DJI is one of the most popular consumer drone manufacturers, with Mavic 2 series being one of their best-selling drones. This drone comes in a few different versions and caters to a diverse number of users. While the Mavic 2 Zoom is the most versatile and offers all-round performance, the Mavic 2 Pro offers excellent photography capabilities. However, with Autel's Evo 2 launch news breaking out along with the Skydio 2 drone being shipped out its first batch, DJI is facing some serious competition ahead. And with features and capabilities both companies are promising, being a drone enthusiast, this makes me excited. Also, I am questioning myself, are these drones can finally make a dent in the dominion of DJI's drone market? Let's discuss. The Autel Evo 2 is reported to come with 3 different gimbal modules that can easily be swapped out by the user. The specification of 3 gimbal includes a 586 option, which is reported to offer 48 megapixels still picture and 8K videos. Its incredibly high resolution will allow users to effectively zoom in or crop photos and videos while maintaining a high resolution. There will be another 383 gimbal which could feature a 1-inch sensor that can take 20 megapixel still picture and 6K videos with an adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11. These 2 drones go head-to-head with DJI's Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom and offers features that are far beyond than DJI Maverick series drones. Mavic 2 Pro maxes out at 4K 30fps while the Autel Evo 2 will allow users to record at 4K 120fps or even 5.5K at 60fps. These type of specifications are yet to be seen from any drone manufacturer on the market. And I have made a full video on the Autel Evo 2 that you should check out later from the link on the description. While to beat DJI's Mavic 2 Enterprise version, the Autel Robotics will offer a third interchangeable gimbal which will be equipped with dual sensor, combining an 8K camera with 640p thermal sensor. So DJI is in a very top spot both in consumer and prosumer drone market. Although the price for all 3 models of Autel Evo 2 is yet to be determined, however, I'm guessing Autel will price them competitively lower to put more pressure on DJI. And the story doesn't end there. DJI is not only facing challenges from their own backyard, they're also met with tough competition from their foreign competitors as well. I'm talking about the Skydio 2 camera drone. Those of you who don't know, Skydio is an American drone manufacturer that designs and makes drones right at America. The people spearheading Skydio was part of Google's drone project, and the company is one of the most exciting American drone manufacturers. The company just started shipping out their first batch of the new Skydio 2 drone that comes at around $999, even after adding accessories such as remote controller or beacon. This puts them below DJI Mavic 2 series, making things much harder for DJI. The Skydio 2 offers self-flying capabilities that are far beyond what DJI is offering currently. If you are a consumer who could care less about actually flying a drone and rather just interested in capturing amazing photos and videos, then the Skydio 2 is the perfect drone for you. And the competition from Skydio does not end at the consumer market, as the company is actively going after the first responders market as well. Apart from intense competition from other competitors on the market, DJI is also suffering from the inside as DJI's supply chain is disrupted due to $150 million fraud by employee. Although according to report, the amount is much bigger in size and only the tip of the iceberg. The report also suggests that the immediate impact was on the Inspire 3 series and on the Phantom 4 Pro series. This essentially led DJI to shelve the Inspire 3 series. This situation has made it easier for other Chinese drone manufacturers like Autel to put more pressure on DJI. Another situation that gave DJI competitors an edge against them is the growing concerns of data security from various US government departments in relation to Chinese manufactured drones. The patriotic Americans are looking for other options, and the Skydio is presenting themselves as the perfect alternative for DJI drones. The US and China trade war also resulted in tariffs on drones imported from China, leaving DJI in much tougher spot. So overall, I'm really excited about all this latest development in drone industry. For the past couple of years, DJI has been the unprecedented leader of this industry with their impressive lineup of consumer and prosumer drones. With Skydio and Autel's latest offerings, that situation now seems to have changed dramatically. But the ball is now on DJI's court, and it's for us to witness how DJI is going to address the situation. Will Skydio and Autel can beat DJI is going to depend on the response DJI makes. However, considering DJI's existing lineup, it is safe to say that they are behind of their competitors in terms of feature and other aspects of drone capability. I am looking forward to knowing what DJI brings with their scheduled launch of Mavic 3 Pro in January 2020. Although when it comes to commercial camera drone lineup for professional filmmaking and the ecosystem DJI offers, they are still way ahead of their competitors. Since Autel and Skydio, both companies are trying very hard to tap into the market, it will be hard for them to reach the level of DJI. However, with Autel and Skydio trying so hard to beat DJI, it is safe to assume that they would be pretty close to beating DJI very soon. Anyways, we have made videos on the DJI Maverick 3 series and other DJI drone series you should check out, and I will leave the links for those videos on the description for you to check out. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, then make sure to hit the like button and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts about who would win in this race, or DJI can still keep their place as the leader of the drone industry. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.